So here we have our wonderful hearty pumpkin soup, which has beef chunks and penny pasta in it, and some spinach and carrots and some onions, which are buried under, and some bell peppers, which are also buried under, with our pumpkin puree and our chicken broth. My name is Chef Fran, and today we're making a hearty pumpkin soup. To make our hearty pumpkin soup, we have our beef chunks that I already seared up. That's gonna go, so I have a beautiful color in our Instapot. We have our penny pasta. You can use any pasta that you have at home. A lot of people have spaghetti. You can use that if you want. We're using penny. Bell peppers, spinach, carrots, Himalayan salt and black pepper, and onion, chicken broth, pumpkin puree. You definitely need that to make the soup. If you want to use vegetable broth instead, you can do that, or just some water and some chicken bouillon. You can do that as well. Some cayenne pepper and a little bit of cinnamon. Pumpkin puree has vitamins A, B1, B6, C, copper, calcium, potassium, magnesium, and manganese, and zinc. Beef chunks, B6, B12, iron, psyllium, and zinc. Carrots, vitamins A, beta-carotene, biotin, and potassium. Pasta, B, folate, niacin, riboflavin, thiamine. So now, using a pressure cooker Instapot, it's very high temp. So we're not going to add our pasta, our spinach, and our bell peppers until the last 10 minutes. To do so beforehand, we'll end up with no pasta and just pasta flavoring inside our Instapot because it's going to disintegrate because of the high pressure. So we'll wait and put that in the last 10 minutes before. So we're going to put in our beef chunks right now. Okay. And we're going to add a little bit of our carrots as well. We'll add that a little later. Do a little black pepper. A little Himalayan salt. And we're going to add a little bit of cayenne and cinnamon. Just a little dash of cayenne. Anything coming out? Oops. Okay. A little cinnamon. Cinnamon mini. Oops. There we go. All right, and then we're going to add our pumpkin puree, which is a key source of ingredient here. So we need that for sure. You know, now is the season for a lot of people. You know, we're in the winter season. And so soups are really great to have. They're filling, great nourishment, and fast and easy. You can have it for a couple of days and don't have to cook and worry about cooking. We're going to put our broth in till we cover our meat. I'm going to add my other pumpkin puree. Some more pumpkin puree. Okay. So we have 2 cans of pumpkin puree here. And then we're going to let it rip. And we'll add our vegetables, carrots, spinach, as well as the bell peppers and the pasta the last 10 minutes. So here we have our wonderful hearty pumpkin soup, which has beef chunks and penny pasta in it, and some spinach and carrots and some onions, which are buried under, and some bell peppers, which are also buried under, with our pumpkin puree and our chicken broth. Wow, look at this wonderful pumpkin soup. Look at my peppers, my pasta. Wow. Delicious. Full of flavor. Keep you warm, a full meal. you really enjoy this, you really should try to make it. Simple ingredients. You probably have most of these at home. Again, you can use chicken if you don't want to use beef, or put nothing at all. You could do that as well. So good. The beef is so tender from the Instapot. Really good. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe. And share this channel with your family and friends. They'll thank you for it. I thank you for hanging out with me, eating virtually with me. Well, I ate this physically, but you too can eat this physically too. So good. You didn't even need to put cream in here. You notice how thick it is? No cream needed. Thank you so much again for hanging out with me. I love you guys. Bye.